Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 4 and the name of our chapter is matter and its characteristics. Today I am going to give you a complete review of this unit. So my dear students, let's start the review. So before the review, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So quickly tell me that how do solids can change their states? By adding heat or removing heat, solids can change their state. So how do liquids can change their state? By adding heat or removing heat or by decreasing the temperature, they can also change their state. Okay, my dear students, so it's time for the review. So here you can see all the student learning outcomes that alhamdulillah we have covered in this unit. So one by one, let's quickly revise what we did in the each SLO, how we did it. So my dear students, in the first lecture we discussed about the matters and their states. So what are matters? We discussed about matter. Everything around us is made up of matter, and there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. What is the characteristic of solid state of matter? Solids जो होते हैं they have a fixed and definite shape, or this is the main property of the solids. और इसके अलावा जो है सॉलिड्स के जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं they are tightly packed, and when heat is added to them they can change their state. How solids change their state? When heat is added to them. Then we discussed about the liquids. What are the characteristics of liquids at state of matter? Liquids do not have a fixed shape. They take the shape of the container which they are poured in. And how liquids change their state? When heat is added or removed. When the temperature is decreased, they change their state. Then we discussed about the gases. What are gases? Gases do not have a fixed shape, definite shape. Their particles are very far apart, and they take the shape of the container they poured in. They do not take the shape of it. They occupy the space they are poured in. They are stored in. How gases change their state? When heat is removed from them, they can change their state. Okay, then we discussed about then what are physical properties of matter. So we discussed about different physical properties of matter. We discussed about volume, density, mass, conduction of heat and ability, heat and electricity. We discussed about the ability to float and sink. So these are different characteristics of matter. So one by one we discussed about mass, then we discussed about volume, we discussed about, we did the project on it, and then we discussed about the volume of gases. We discussed about how matters conduct heat and electricity. They are called conductors, and if they do not conduct heat and electricity, they are called insulators. And then we discussed about the ability to float and sink, यानी कि कुछ जो चीज़ें हैं, कुछ जो matter है वो डूब जाता है, they are more dense. कुछ जो हैं वो float करते रहते हैं, they are less dense. So this is the ability to float and sink, और ये एक characteristic है matter की. Okay, then we discussed about the metals. Metals क्या होते हैं? ये धातें होती हैं, ये shiny होती हैं, hard होती हैं. Most of them are solids except mercury that is in liquid form. और इसके अलावा they are conductors of heat and electricity. So this is what we studied about metals. Then we did a project on the states of matter, how matter can change its state from solid to liquid, and when from liquid to again solid when heat is added or removed. So my dear students, now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print from BioTeacher. So my dear students, what you need to do is write down your name and roll number. Then my dear students, what are matters? What type of, what are different types of matter? Okay, so and what is melting? Give examples. What is freezing? Give example. What is sublimation? Give example. What is condensation? Give its example. What are physical properties of matter? Enlist them. Matter की कौन-कौन सी physical properties हैं, आपको उनको list down करना है. Differentiate between insulator and conductor. Insulator और conductor में क्या फ़र्क है आपको बताना है. What are different properties of metals? Metals की कौन-कौन सी properties हैं, list them. What is the difference between malleability and ductility? Give example. क्या malleability होती है, क्या ductility होती है, आपको दोनों के दरमियान differentiate करना है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपने जल्दी से वीडियो को पॉज करना है, कंप्लीट दिस वर्कशीट एंड देन सबमिट इट टू योर टीचर फॉर ग्रेडिंग एंड मार्क्स. I hope everybody has done it. So my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the homework. For homework, you will identify states of matter and change of states of matter as an example of water with the help of your parents. So my dear students, आपने पानी कैसे अपनी states को change करता है? It can be found in liquid, can be changed into gas, can be changed into solid. So आपको ये practical जो है अपने parents के साथ करना है और उनके साथ discuss करना है इसकी तीनों states को, और फिर solid, liquid और gases की properties को भी उनके साथ discuss कीजिएगा. So my dear students, it's time for the wrap up. So we have learned a lot of things from this unit. Everything around us is matter. Matter are solid, liquids and gases. Solid particles are closely packed and can change their state by melting. Liquid particles are loosely packed. They can change their state by heating or freezing. Gas particles are far apart. They can change their state by adding or removing heat. Matters have different physical properties, that is mass, volume, ability to conduct heat and electricity, and ability to float and sink. Metals have special class properties like lusty, density, odorless, malleability, ductility, conductivity, and heat and electricity. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमने इस चैप्टर में मैटर के बारे में बहुत कुछ पढ़ा है, बहुत सी करेक्टरिस्टिक्स पढ़ी हैं. आई होप नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड अ लॉट ऑफ टर्म्स लाइक मास, वॉल्यूम, डेंसिटी. कीप एवरीबडी अराउंड यू सेफ. हैव अ गुड डे. थैंक यू सो मच एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.